Engage every Nigeria military you see in Biafra land, Simon Ekpa. They say one armed robber don't leave their member as they snatch a car. These are happening. Hello my people, welcome back to Balabas G's. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. No be small thing, no forget to give us a follow and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell for more updates as they happen. We'll go look into the ogbonge news we will get for hand today. They say one armed robber snatch a car on the process and leave their member. We are going to play you the video. This is happening in Uli, Anambra State. Uli have been turning to second Owerri in Imo State. Let's second Olo in Imo State. Let's show you the video of how they leave their member behind. I know that by now the people around will deal with that particular one, but if we get more of that, we are going to bring it to you.
To Jesus, if I name life in you, it happen life for you. Life.
Welcome back. As I've watched this video and they see how the youth who suppose use the strength they are using now to snatch a car to fight for their freedom. This is totally nonsense. So let's go and listen to wetin Simon Ekpa talk. No be small thing. He said they find Nigeria army go inside their barrack for where be 103 brigade. He said all the whole army run for inside 103 artillery. All of them jackpa. No be small thing. Simon Ekpa tell them say why not they report about wetin happen? They no go report. We will play you the video. He also instructed the Biafra army to anywhere they see them, maybe they give them woto. Or may you watch the video, we'll come back and continue.
Anywhere you see Nigeria security agent carrying gun, from military to police to anyone carrying gun, make sure you don't give them British space. They have killed enough. And it is time we evict them from our land. We will enter their barracks. We will enter their bases. It is a matter of time. Yesterday, we were there at 103 Battalion in Enugu. They ran away. We chased them. They ran into the barracks. We followed them to 103 Battalion. And every Biafran living closer to barracks, remain very vigilant. Because what they do is that when they don't see who to kill, they will come for you and use you to shine. They will burn your houses, kill women and children, and they will brag about it. Do not fall a victim of these people. Whenever you see something going on, make sure you go inside your house and lock the door. Allow the Biafra army and the Biafra resistance fighters to do the job. That is what they volunteer to do. When there was NSAS, you know how they hurriedly, regrouping themselves, and then they begin to unleash mayhem on Nigerians who were carrying flag protesting. And some people were advising them, carry Nigerian flag, they will not kill you. Carry Nigerian flag, just go there and start. They were killing them like chicken. Today, the game have changed. That can never happen again. Not in Biafra. Not while we are here. And I want to inform Biafra people today, we have defeated Nigeria from the eastern region. We have defeated them. We have defeated their army. We have defeated their police. We have defeated their custom. We have defeated their air force, because all these things I'm mentioning have checkpoint. Only in Biafra land. They don't have those checkpoints in the north. And like you all know, we have banned the checkpoint, which means anywhere you see them, engage them. And when you see checkpoint today, does not mean that they are not going to be engaged any moment from that time. So you must stop going closer to the checkpoint because you don't know when it is going to happen. We know how to fight them, and we are applying that particular system. It's a systematic fight. I wanted to ask them if they have collected the healers from the Biafra Liberation Army, and they have not done that. You see, Biafra people, it is only what we post on social media that you see. The healers is not the only healers that Biafra Liberation Army has impounded. We have impounded many of them. We have also destroyed, neutralized many of them. Of course, you know that. You see when they are burning on social medias and all that. You see that. But what I'm telling you today is that those who carry guns to come to Biafra to burn our villages and market, it can never happen again. We will go to their barracks, we'll go to their bases and engage them. And yesterday night, we have given it a test. They are not going to sleep again. They are not going to sleep again. If you know that you are a Biafran and you are serving in any Nigeria security agents within Biafra land, I don't need to tell you again because we have given you people enough time. You remain the enemy of the people. I remember when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was here, when those who were very close to him started to sabotage the struggle and sabotage the Eastern Security Network. They were killing commanders like chicken. And they thought it is going to continue like that. They were invading the camps, killing them like chicken. Because the people that were working with him were passing the information to the Nigeria government. And they started eliminating commanders. Let us see them eliminate any commander today. It is not possible. It is not possible. Before you come, we will come for you. I want to make it very clear. Those who are planning against Simon Ekpa, I am very, very closer to you than you will ever be closer to me. I am closer to you. And very soon, I will call you on phone when you will be captured. And you see me on video. The atrocities you committed against Biafra people can never go unpunished. Can never go unpunished. Some of you has vowed. You say that because of the crimes you have committed against the people of Biafra, you never believe that we can forgive you. So for that reason, you want to continue to commit the crime because you can't go back from it again. And let me tell you, there is still opportunity if you change. If you change and support this Biafra movement, there could be a chance. But let me tell you, that particular chance and door is closing very fast. After 4 weeks from today, we will open the front from the riverine area. The Biafra army is positioned almost in all crannies of the riverine area of Biafra. And in 4 weeks from today, we will activate operation in those areas. Let me tell you, it is one step at a time. One step at a time. The delegitimization of the killers of Biafra people have started, which is the Nigeria government and those serving under the government. And like I said before, the commissioners serving Nigeria government within Biafra territory, of course, those who are proving strong-head, they can continue. But I know we have acknowledged those who have resigned. Many of them have resigned secretly. We've acknowledged some of them that have resigned secretly, and those who have made them own open. It is because of these commissioners that are powering the government, aiding the governors to send military and killers into our land to kill. While everywhere in Nigeria there are terrorists, bandits, killing and maiming, and there is no security to protect them. There is no security in the north. There is no security in Plateau State, in Jos. There is no security in Benue State. There is no security in Zamfara. People are being massacred. Every security has been deployed to Biafra land, where they think they can kill at will. But I trust the Biafra Liberation Army, who have been giving it to them woto woto. So I want to reiterate that the sit at home on Mondays can never ever be changed. Disregard the nonsense from the Chief of Army Staff. Well, what is he called? Who is in Abuja telling you that the sit at home and then in the southeast. Tomorrow, there will be no Ochicha anywhere in Biafra land. That will be outside. Tomorrow, Ghost Town, I want it to be televised. I want it to be videoed. I want it to be shown to the whole world that Biafra has made their choice. Their choice is the exit of Biafra from Nigeria at all costs, by any means possible. And that particular demand is being made through the sit at home, in addition to the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The Chief of Army Staff should take a tour tomorrow, which is Monday, in the southeast, so we can take him serious. If he want to take this tour, let him first of all start the tour from Imo State, and without convoy, without armor tank, as a Chief of Army Staff, so we can take him very serious. If he want to show us that he's the really Chief of Army Staff, let him take a ride from Imo State to Anambra without armor tank, from Anambra to Enugu without armor tank, and then he can make a live video to tell Biafrans and Nigerians that, hey, look at me, I am here in the southeast and there is no sit at home. Then we are going to take him serious. You cannot sit Abuja and tell us what is happening in our land. You are in Nigeria there. I believe it will not take you 30 minutes to fly to Imo State. And from there, you can take a ride from Imo to Anambra, from Anambra to Enugu, from Enugu to Ebonyi. And then you can now announce to Nigerians that the sit at home has ended. We will take you very seriously. I'm telling you, if you try it, you will never go back to Abuja again. We'll capture you. If the Chief of Army Staff try it, we'll capture him. Because these are the people, the roots from which all these killers are coming to our land to kill. So if he try it, we will capture him alive. I want everyone to pay attention to how this sit at home and the curfew will kickstart from tomorrow. As all of you can see, week 1, which is 18 is tomorrow. 18 remain, the normal sit at home remains tomorrow. Tomorrow is from morning to night. Don't try anything funny. On the 19th, being Tuesday, from 19th to 22nd, being Friday, there will be curfew from 6 a.m. to 12 noon. The curfew is from 6 a.m. to 12 noon. Our target remain the Nigeria security agent killers. That's our target. That's the target of Biafra Liberation Army, the target of the Biafra resistance fighters. Those terrorists in uniform and with guns and armor tanks, they are our target. There will be our target in Imo State, our target in Anambra, our target in Enugu, our target in Ebonyi, and Delta State. On the 23rd of September and the 24th of September, which is Saturday and Sunday, there will be normal movement in Biafra territory. The second week, on the 25th of September 2023, the normal Monday sit at home. Monday sit at home is a no-go area. Nothing have changed. From 26th 9 to 29th 9 2023, there will be curfew from 6 a.m. to 12 noon. During this time, not even a goat will walk on the street of Biafra. And then on the 30th of September to 1st of October, Saturday and Sunday, there will be normal movement in Biafra territory. The last week, 2nd of October, there is normal Monday sit at home. Then from 3rd of October to 6th of October, there will be curfew from 6 a.m. to 12 noon. During these 3 weeks, curfew sit at home, the entire secretariat in Biafra land will be shut down. I want you to understand what I mean by shut down. The secretariat in each state should be shut down. And if you want to open that secretariat as a Nigerian agent, you'll see what will happen to you. If you want to open it, then they have to use armor tank and face the whole place. It must be shut down. Our target is to shut down the activities of the government in Biafra land.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video and hear everything where be PM Biafra government in exile don't talk for inside this video we will bring on give una. So what you go do me to share this video, and I want me you leave your own opinion put. If you get any agreement for this thing when they do or in they talk, may still leave am by the side. Our work not to bring you waiting there happen, and your own work not to talk about and waiting there your mind. Here I will not prevent you from talking anything where you want to talk. I beg me share this video and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget though, hey, you don't see how those men take leave one of their member run. You see say bad thing no good, wetin they pursue them, make they use that power go fight for their freedom. Now advice to them. Okay my people, see you in the next update.